ASUS has just rolled out a fantastic new feature for their ROG Astral graphics cards, and it's a game changer. If you've ever dealt with GPU sag, you know how annoying and risky it can be. Well, worry no more. Introducing the Equipment Installation Check. ASUS has quietly added this smart feature to the ROG Astral series. So, what does it do? It helps you detect if your GPU is starting to tilt or sag inside your case. And with the Astral being one of the heaviest GPUs out there, this is a lifesaver. So how does it work? The ROG Astral has a nifty built-in sensor called the Bosch SensorTech BM 1323 IMU. It's like the motion sensors in your smartphone. If your GPU starts to lean due to its weight, up to 3 kilograms for the air-cooled version, a warning pops up through ASUS's GPU Tweak software. You can fix the issue before any real damage happens. But that's not all. The ROG Astral also boasts other smart features like, which ensures your card is getting the right amount of juice, and, which keeps an eye on the card's temperature to catch any heating problems early. ASUS is clearly all about giving gamers a safe, reliable experience, especially with such powerful and expensive hardware. Now let's talk about why sagging is a big deal. High-end GPUs are getting heavier, often over 2 kilograms. This puts a lot of stress on your motherboard's PCIe slot. Too much bending can mean poor connections or even broken parts. ASUS includes a small holder with the ROG Astral to help prevent this, but the new sag detection feature is the real MVP here. Unfortunately, if you're rocking an older ASUS ROG Matrix or Strix card, you won't get this new feature. It's exclusive to the new ROG Astral series. This is a fantastic step toward the future. ASUS is clearly thinking about the real-world problems gamers face. Hopefully we'll see this feature in more GPUs soon. Thanks for tuning in. If you want more updates on the latest GPUs, make sure to subscribe to the channel.